Tired of EasyShare taking up precious space on your device? This guide will show you how to completely uninstall it, freeing up storage and boosting your phone's performance in under 2 minutes. First, let's tackle Android. Locate the EasyShare icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap and hold the icon until a menu pops up. From the menu, select the uninstall option. A confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the app. Carefully read the message, noting that this will remove the app and all associated data. If you're ready, tap OK to proceed with the uninstallation. And just like that, EasyShare is gone from your Android device. Now, let's move on to iOS. The process is just as simple. On your iPhone, find the EasyShare icon on your home screen. Gently press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Choose Remove App from the menu. A new prompt will appear asking if you want to delete app or remove from home screen. Select Delete App, then confirm your decision by tapping Delete on the final confirmation prompt. That's it. EasyShare is now completely uninstalled from your iOS device. This method ensures a clean removal, freeing up valuable storage space. Remember to restart your device if you experience any lingering issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.